Hello everyone. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie. Today I'll show you how you can beautifully organize and customize your iPhone control center so that all your most important shortcuts are always just one swipe away. Let's get started. What is Control Center and why it matters? Your iPhone's Control Center is one of the most powerful areas of the device. If it's properly customized, you save time, you work faster, you access important features instantly. Most people never customize it, and that's a big mistake. Step 1. Open Control Center Settings. First, open Settings. Tap on Control Center. Here you'll see controls already added, and a list of more controls you can add. Now let's add the most useful shortcuts for daily life. Step 2. Add Code Scanner, very important. First add Code Scanner. Why this is important? QR codes are everywhere now. Payments, menus, logins, websites. Having Code Scanner in Control Center means you can scan anytime, anywhere, without opening the camera app. Step 3. Add Dark Mode. Next, add Dark Mode. This is extremely useful because reduces eye strain, perfect for night use, saves battery on OLED displays. With one tap, you can switch between light and dark mode instantly. Step 4. Add Guided Access for security. Now add Guided Access. This is great for security, giving your phone to someone temporarily, locking your iPhone to a single app. Very useful for parents, offices, and privacy protection. Step 5. Add Home Control. Add Home. This lets you control smart home devices, access home app features, return to home functions quickly. Everything becomes one tap simple. Step 6. Add Music Recognition. Now add Music Recognition, Shazam. This allows you to identify any song playing around you directly from Control Center, even without opening any app. Perfect for music lovers. Step 7. Add Stopwatch. Next, add Stopwatch. Very useful for gym workouts, sports activities, running, training, or timing anything. You can start timing instantly from notifications. Step 8. Add Accessibility Shortcuts. Add Accessibility Shortcuts. This helps users quickly enable accessibility features, customize usage based on personal needs, a must-have for better usability. Step 9. Add Camera Shortcut. Now add Camera. This allows you to open the camera instantly, use camera features directly, never miss a moment, no need to unlock and search for the app. Step 10. Add Apple TV Remote. Add Apple TV Remote. Why this matters? Apple TV is used worldwide. USA, Canada, Australia, and beyond. Your iPhone becomes a remote, always in your pocket. Step 11. Add Flashlight. Now add Flashlight. This is one of the most used features. Emergency use, night use, power cut situations. One swipe, one tap, light on. Step 12. Add Calculator. Add Calculator. Especially useful for business users, shop owners. Quick calculations. No need to open the app manually. Step 13. Enable Screen Recording. Must have. Finally, add Screen Recording. This is extremely important if you create tech videos, you need tutorials, you want to save important steps or information. For content creators like me, this is a must-have shortcut. Final result. Once you add all these controls, your control center becomes powerful. Everything is one swipe away. Your iPhone feels faster and smarter. This setup works perfectly for daily life, business, and content creation. That's it for today. If this control center setup helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. Let me know in the comments which shortcut you use the most. See you in the next one.